beautiful views here from Acatenango. We're about 20 minutes from the summit. So, to be honest, it's the hardest hike I've ever done in my life. 4 a.m. wake up call, 4:15 departure. It is now 5:32 a.m. We should be there by 6 a.m. So at the summit, which is like 3,960 meters. So roughly 4,000 meters, 4 kilometers altitude. See you there soon. Wow, amazing. Above the clouds.